Hello guys, here's Shivli and you are welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a different kind of brinjal stir fry using only garlic and tomatoes and without using any onion. It's so much tasty and delicious with especially boiled rice and lentils curry, and equally delicious with roti or chapati. So guys, at first I chopped the brinjals and washed them properly. I have taken 4 long shaped brinjals. You may take any kind of brinjals, there is no problem according to your choice. And here I have taken 2 medium sized tomatoes finely chopped, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and some chopped green chilies according to taste. So these are the things we need to arrange, and the rest of the things we need, those are available in the kitchen, so I'm showing them one by one. At first I'm adding some cooking oil in the frying pan. After the oil is heated well, we're going to add some mustard seeds as a tadka. I'm not going to use any cumin seeds for this recipe. After the mustard seeds are crackled well, I'm adding the garlic in. So after adding garlic, we need to do hurry because garlic burns very fast. So after about 5 to 6 seconds only, I am adding the tomatoes. After adding tomatoes, we need to add the green chilies as well. I am not using any red chili powder in this recipe, but you may if you like, or you may use whole red chilies as a tadka. And along with tomato and green chilies, I added some salt according to taste and about half teaspoon of turmeric powder. After mixing well, we need to wait for some time, for about 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, until the tomatoes are nicely soft. And when the tomatoes are nicely soft, I am adding the brinjals in. So after adding the brinjals, we need to mix a little, and after that we are going to cover the pan for some time on the lowest heat. Of course, lowest heat, because we are not going to use any water for this recipe. After mixing well, I am turning the heat on the lowest and I am covering the frying pan for about 5 to 6 minutes, I think. In between we need to uncover the pan, of course, and stir the mixture very well to avoid burn from the bottom. And after about 8 to 9 minutes, the veggies are nicely cooked now. I'm checking, as you can see. So they are very nicely cooked. And at the end of this recipe, we need to add some fresh coriander leaves finely chopped if you wish, but you may skip if you don't like, or if you don't have nearby you. So after adding the green coriander leaves, we need to mix everything very well again, and for about 1 minute we need to stir the mixture. After about 1 minute, our veggies are ready. I mean, our stir fry is ready. So after 1 minute, I am going to turn the heat off and take it out and serve the stir fry. The taste of the stir fry is special, very special, just like a tomato chutney. I really can't explain how tasty is this. If you try it once, you will make it again and again. So guys, try this simple recipe at home and don't forget to share your experience with me. Hit the like button guys if you really liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.